Nuts. The man say, him never find it, he never thinks it important to present the numbers, the information in Parliament. So if him never think it important enough, why it important now?
No, sir. To me,
Nuts,
it looked like last night.
Me beg you, tomorrow, get up and just watch it.
All right.
And imagine that this is a budget.
Me go watch it.
Remember, say, it's an election year, you know. It's an election year, this, you know. And this man I come tell you, say, him never know, say, it was that important. And that man tell you, say, you know.
I'm sorry, Mr. For Jamaica, if them put this money up because if him can, if him not know when him supposed to bring a budget debate or even be cognizant of his assignment as leader of an opposition, then we are in serious trouble. If our people, this is going to be a test of the Jamaican people's intelligence, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
He also said.
Well,
he also said that.
Well, if I may say this.
One at a time.
If I may say this.
No, my God.
He also said.
Okay.
He also said nobody lost any money in FinSA.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
That is another blatant lie.
Man said no investors were invested in the institution, they lose money. And then people lose money from the life insurance.